Hey guys, it's She. I'm back today with another video. So I decided to get cute for y'all today. I'm going to be doing a little mukbang, bang, whatever. And I'm eating a salad from Fil A. It's a Cobb salad, but I do spicy grilled chicken, no tomato, no egg. I hate eggs. I'll tell you guys a story about why I hate eggs one day. I love that it comes with the crispy red bell peppers, and then I do the avocado lime ranch dressing. And I even got on a little like tropical dress for y'all today. So anyway, today's video is sponsored by, I'm just kidding. So anyway, it's like as soon as I decide to record, everybody messages me. I swear no one thinks about me until I'm doing stuff. So today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys about some of the cool things and interesting things that have happened to me while I've been selling furniture. So I started taking this serious in January. Normally I would just, and I created Cozy Interiors by She. I set it up as a legitimate business. I got my EIN, my LLC. I have a business bank account, all that good stuff. So anyway, guys, so I got the booth at the antique mall because I didn't want to be bothered with people. Like, as an empath, I always seem to attract needy people, and I always just seem to attract people that like I have a magnetism, like a fly to a lantern, and it's so annoying. So I got the booth to kind of minimize me having to actually deal with people, but y'all know I got rid of the booth. So anyway, interesting things have been happening to me. I'm grateful and appreciative of my customers, but guys, these people really just took the cake. And it's always the people that don't buy stuff. Let me tell y'all about what happened today. Gosh, it's so hard to chew and eat. I don't see how people make these videos. And so what happened today was, I had a lady message me on OfferUp last night, and she asked me, she wanted to buy this mirrored table. It's like a tall table. It's painted white. It has flowers on it. I think it would be cute for like someone to use in their hallway, like when you're first walking in the house, or something like that. Oh, she wanted to buy that. She asked, could she meet today? I said, sure. Oh, I hate bugs. She's like, she wants to meet today. I texted her the address, and I accidentally put the wrong street. I just moved into the storage unit. The storage unit is not too far away from my house, but it's like at a cross section. So I gave her the cross section street, so she wasn't able to find the address. So she texts me, and it's like an hour after we were supposed to meet, and I had kind of forgot about it. And she goes, I went there, this isn't an address, blah 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 blah. I was like, well, why didn't she just text me? She's like, I never bring my phone out with me, blah 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 blah. So I'm like, why the heck would you go meet somebody and not have your phone? Then she revealed that she's a senior citizen. So it kind of made sense to me until she got pissed and said, well, I'm not going to be. I said, is there another time we can meet? She said, no. I said, okay, sorry it didn't work out. She goes, you should bring it to my house. Keep in mind, this lady was only meeting me at my storage unit to look at it. This is not a confirmed sale. She just wanted to see if it would work. So I'm sorry, but I have a lot of other people interested in the same item. I am not going to get it out my storage, drive it to her house for her to say no. Been there, had that happen one time. Luckily, I had only met the person like up the street from, up the street where I live at. So I didn't lose too much time or gas, but I'm not doing that. If you didn't pay for it, I'm not going to take the time to load it up, put it in the car, bring it to you for you to say no. I said, if you want to pay for it, that's perfectly fine. But she didn't. So then she said that she was going to report me to OfferUp and leave a bad review. And I said, oh, she must be a senior citizen because you can't leave a bad review if you didn't buy something. So frustrating. Then, guys, make sure y'all go follow me on my Instagram because I posted a TikTok today. I did the Don't Rush Challenge with a piece of furniture. Everybody loves it. Mackenzie's so happy because she finally got me to do TikTok. He's like, Mom, you don't have any followers on Instagram. Blah, 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 blah. I mean, on TikTok. The second thing that happened, guys, was I had this really beautiful antique picture. And, well, not the second, but the second thing I'll tell y'all about is I had this beautiful antique picture. This guy drove from North Carolina to meet me. Turns out he's an Indian cardiologist. Claims he's divorced. Thank God. I normally meet people like at this fast food place by my house because it's busy, especially on Saturday morning. So that morning I had met him and two other ladies there. Thank God the two other ladies were still there because this man, like, my car's here, his car is there. I'm standing here, right, trying to get into my car, and he's like positions himself so that I can't get into my door. So I have to walk by him. I walk by him and he literally like touches my ass. And so I was like, okay, maybe it's an accident because I did just have to squeeze through the two cars. And then when I came back, he was like really, really close to me. And that's when he revealed, like, you know, he liked the picture, but he really liked me more. He took a glance at my Facebook profile, thought I was beautiful and wanted to meet me. I was just like, talk about, thank God my other customers were there because I could tell the one lady saw that I was uncomfortable and she actually messaged me afterwards and was like, be careful. She's like, it's very smart for you to meet multiple people at one time and make sure you continue to do it in a public place. That guy was creepy and he really, really was. After that, he proceeded to send me more messages, just asking if he could take me out and all this kind of stuff. Well, talk about creepy. And then, guys, he gave me such bad vibes that I didn't even count the money he gave me and it was $10 short. And I don't understand why doctors and people with so much money be the cheapest damn people because, first of all, I asked for $100. He haggled me down to $85 and then still shorted me $10. Disgusting. Another situation, guys, happened like about almost 2 weeks ago now. I met a lady that does nails, beautiful nails. Y'all have to go follow her on Instagram. Her name is Nails by Regina. It was a Sunday. I went to buy 2 dressers. One was a porch pickup in Norfolk. The second was her. So when I got to, and I started not to go to Regina's house to pick up this dresser because I didn't feel like it. I was tired. And I was like, I don't feel like it. I don't feel like lifting no fucking dresser. I just don't feel like it. I get to Regina's house. She's so sweet. Comes outside. Starts talking to me about the dresser. And then says, you know, I was looking at your profile to make sure you weren't a creep. I don't blame her. And she goes, or crazy. And she said, I noticed that you paint furniture. So then I went to your Instagram. And I was like, I'm not selling her this dresser. And I was just like, I started to get low-key pissed because I'm like, I done drove all the way to her house, which she lives in Portsmouth. And Portsmouth is far. It's not far, but it sucks because there's like a toll to get there. But I'm like, I done paid a toll to get here. And this chick gonna tell me she don't want to sell me this dresser. It was $20, guys. And she was like, because I want you to paint it instead. She was like, how much is it gonna cost? So I told her the price. And she was happy. I was like, you just gotta do a $50 deposit. She left the deposit with me. And I just got finished her dresser. It turned out absolutely beautiful. I hope she loves it. I sent her a text message, but she hasn't responded yet. Well, that was a really nice situation because I wasn't expecting to make money that day. I was buying it because it was $20. It was super cute. And I knew it was something that I could just have like in my storage until I was ready to paint it. So that was a really great situation. The last story I want to tell you guys about is from OfferUp. A couple months ago, I got a message from somebody under this seashell mirror that I found this for $10 at the Goodwill. The person sent me a message on OfferUp and said, you are a crook. This was $10 at the Goodwill. Now, I will tell you guys that when I was moving stuff from the antique mall, I moved the mirror and saw the Goodwill sticker for $10. So I was like, oh my God. You know how many people? I'm telling y'all every single time I record. But I was like, you know how many people probably were interested in buying that mirror? It sat there for months. And people probably picked it up to take it to the register and saw the Goodwill sticker on the back of it. And that's probably why it still hasn't sold. Oh my God. So anyway, I told her, I said, it's called a markup. So the lady on OfferUp, I told her, I said, it's called a markup and you should try it sometimes. And she said, you know what? I said, if you shop at Target, Walmart, any of those stores, all stores buy stuff at a lower price and resell it. That's all I'm doing. And she goes, oh my God, you're absolutely right. I'm sorry. Have a great day. Ooh. And then, or other crazy stuff that happens is that people get mad when they want to buy stuff from you. Like, if you ever bought anything or sold anything on Facebook Marketplace, it'll always say, like, is this available? And people will press that button in a heartbeat and don't really be ready to buy. So I make appointments with everybody. Like, if they be like, oh, can I come tomorrow? Like, I'll say yes if it's still available. And they'll be like, okay, well, can I meet you at 10? Sure. But my thing is, I'm going to sell it. Like, I'm not going to hold it waiting for 10 o'clock for you. I had like 10 people message me about this one item today. Ask me how many of them I've actually met up with. None. So, I'm not going to sit there and reserve anything for anybody. Otherwise, I will always be sitting on stuff because people have a bad tendency of making appointments and not keeping them. This one lady, like, literally got so angry with me. She said, I'm going to go see your business Facebook page and leave a bad review. This is bad business, blah, 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 blah. And I said, if you went to Walmart wanting to buy something, right, and then you came back the next day and it wasn't there, do you get mad at Walmart? No. So don't get mad at me. Walmart sells the shit to whoever comes in the store and get it. And that's how I operate too. And I feel like that's a great way to do business because I'm being honest. I said, sure, if it's still available. And if you decide to take the chance, that's on you. And I don't feel like it's fair. Thank God she didn't leave a nasty review because I would have cussed her ass out. But, or made another page selling the same item and met up in person with her and cussed her out. Yeah, anyway, guys, that's just been some of the things that happened to me since I've been selling furniture. I primarily post on OfferUp, Facebook, Let Go. The salad is so good, but it's so hard to sit here and talk and eat at the same time. So anyway, hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Leave your comments, thoughts, and opinions below. And I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to go to my Instagram today and check out my TikTok. Bye.